Running Kimono, and I recently bought this bar of soap on eBay. I did a video of unboxing a box of Kleenex that was 30 years old, and there was a lot of interest in that, so I thought, hey, let's take it a step further and find some really old laundry detergent. This is apparently from the 1930s, and it is this bar of soap by P&G, and I saw it for $5. I was very curious, so I bid and won it on eBay. And it is called the White Naphtha Soap. I've never seen this before. And the seller said that it's from the 30s. So this is an 89-year-old bar of soap. And it's a mystery how this person would even have it in their basement or in their possession. But here it is if you want to pause the video and read about this. And I thought it would be really fun to unbox it. So I have a pair of gloves here because I was kind of worried, you know, like it's almost 90 years old. What exactly is inside of there? So I tossed some gloves on.
Oh, I can tell it's kind of like slimy. It feels kind of greasy. Oh, look, it's just falling apart. Ooh. Wow. Holy smokes, look at that. Wow. And there's nothing written inside the package. Look at this. That is really old. Hard as a rock. I'm gonna give it a smell. It kind of smells like from someone's garage, like an industrial kind of smell, like oil. But I can tell just from what it looks like, this is probably from the 1930s, and somebody kept it in an immaculate condition. Look at that paper it's home for the last like 89 years. It's pretty thick. Oh, look at that, guys. P&G. And the smell again, it smells like oil or something like that. So what we're gonna do now, guys, just to have a little bit of fun with this, I'm gonna put some Texas Pete hot sauce on 2 pieces of fabric. Try it with this and try it with this and see what cleans better. So guys, we're gonna use hot sauce, and I'm gonna use, I'm gonna put it on both pieces of fabric, and then we'll see what cleans better. This bar from the 1930s or my Tide that I just got a couple weeks ago at the store. So we'll put this to the test. So here's the Texas Pete. We're just gonna put a little on both. Maybe like 2 drops. Okay. All right, so let's go to the sink. Okay, so here's the soap, and we're gonna give this a whirl. So, oh boy. Oh, I don't want to douse it too much. It's going everywhere. I'm trying to give this a
So, guys, I only went 2 rounds of trying to clean it off of this rag because it just was a pretty stubborn stain. and it just was not coming out, and I wasn't gonna go all afternoon for this video, you know, washing it 800 times, because this soap is really old and I think it might have lost its potency. Give it a quick rinse here and just show you the stain is still there, even with this soap. It just did not work. I think it's a little past its expiry date for me to go to the store and ask for a refund, so I think I'll have to be happy with this. Okay, filling up the basin again. We're going round 2, but with detergent from 2019, and filling it up with water again. There is our cloth with the hot sauce, dousing it a little bit, and we are going to get the detergent and start working on that stain. And if you coupon, you probably get these for less than $1, often at Rite Aid or Walgreens. And there's a little bit on my glove. And I'm going to start working on that stain. And no big shocker, look at this, guys. What a difference already. Huge difference. I could really see the detergent just like, you know, taking the stain out right away. It's really amazing. And as you can see, guys, that's pretty impressive. It looks like there was never a stain on this rag. So really, really impressed with the 2019 Tide. Now let's take a quick glance at the two side by side. So the one on the bottom is the 1930s bar soap detergent, and then the one on the top is from 2019. How trippy is that?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Action. It's going.
Ooh,
I know, eh? It smells like automotive oil too. It's a weird
that's
stench.
really
Dense, eh?
need a hot knife.
Hot knife? I just want to see what the soap looks like.
Or I can heat this knife up and push it through it. Do you want me to go get my torch?
No, it's fine. We can't penetrate this. Look
It's
how
gonna
thick
crumble.
it is. Yeah.
So if I get a hot knife, I might be able to push through without it crumbling.
Okay, go for it.
So I'll get a pro. Ready?
Hold on, hold on. Okay, go for it.